Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today we're doing Chinese steamed custard. This is a favorite. When I grew up eating this for breakfast, my mother used to make this all the time. And I've had many requests for this because it's very simple and doesn't take too long. And all the grandkids love this. So all you need, very simple things here. I've cracked 8 eggs in here, and then I'm gonna whisk it, beat it all up, and then half a cup of sugar. And I want to put that in first to make sure the sugar dissolves. It's quick and easy and delicious. Okay, now that the sugar is well mixed, gradually add in 4 cups of milk or 1 quart of milk. Put it in slowly so that it mixes well with the eggs. Yeah. Okay, now we put 1 teaspoon of vanilla, mix it all up, and sprinkle just a little bit of nutmeg on the top. And that's all there is to it. The shaker came off somehow, so I just sprinkle it on. Now I'm going to put it in a steamer, and I like to boil the water. I use the bottom pot or the steamer. So if you don't have a regular steamer, just use a big pot. Put maybe if you don't have like a rack to put underneath, just wrap up some foil, and then so it doesn't touch the water, the pan directly. So this is a rack in here. Otherwise, I said you could use some foil and let it lift up so the pan doesn't touch the bottom directly. So the water is boiling, and there's a little rack in there. So now I'm just gonna put this in. Then cover it up, and I'm going to steam it for about half hour. We'll check it then. The steamer is done. It's been cooking for half hour, so I'll take it off, and you can see how it looks. So to test it out, I take a knife, and it comes out clean, so that means it's cooked. So we'll give it a taste. Now it's very soft at this point. So as it cools, it'll firm up a little bit, but you can eat it hot. It's really good. And this is really good for young children too, because it's soft and they don't need to really chew anything, and it's really good. And then after this, you can refrigerate it. It's good the next day, and again it'll firm up. And a lot of water will come out, but it's like a sweet juice that comes out. See? See the texture? This is much easier than baking custard, but it's a lighter version of custard, Chinese style. See how it tastes. Really good, not very sweet. So if you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to smash the like button and like and comment below. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know, and maybe we can make something that you want to learn how to do. Thank you very much for watching. Mahalo. This is a gadget that is really good to pick up things because it's very hot. So as long as it has a lip here, all you do is you do this and you lift it right off, and there you go. Very handy tool.